and say, Happy birthday. Louder, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I'm gonna sing. Go on, sing. Pom, 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 pom. Happy birthday. That's in your arm. Come on. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ellie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sing. Come on, drop your hands. Sing it. Okay, so Mami, so I ask you your birthday wish for your beautiful daughter. So, may I borrow? Alright, so again, ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited part of the party is uploading the candles. This song, we are going to witness her birthday celebrant, Ayesha Markel, to know her first birthday. Alright. Yes, again, your most awaited. The keeping of good bets are your giveaways. Alright, so Ella, what's pa ako, Mami? Ako, Aray. Ano? Ay! Mother! Ay, makakita ka yung tag. Ay, sige. Hindi na pa. Alright, pag-isip, girl. Alright, so today, so then, happy giveaways or good bets. We're gonna have it here. Alright. Alright. So, Daddy, what is your closing remarks for everyone?